Have you ever wondered how important your brain health is to your overall well-being? Picture this. Your brain, that incredible powerhouse, is the control center of your life. It determines how you learn, work, interact with others, and even how you enjoy your downtime. A healthy brain can supercharge all these aspects, making life more vibrant and fulfilling. Additionally, a well-nourished brain can act as a shield, protecting you from neurological diseases. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, how can we improve and maintain our brain health? Improving your brain health might be simpler than you think. It's not just about doing crossword puzzles or mastering chess strategy. It's also about the food you eat, the amount of sleep you get, and how you manage stress. Consider your diet, for instance. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and chia seeds, are known to support brain health. Antioxidants found in abundance in fruits like blueberries and pomegranates can help protect your brain from damage. And let's not forget other brain-boosting nutrients like vitamin B12 and magnesium, commonly found in leafy greens and whole grains. Now let's talk about physical activity, whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a swim in the pool, or a yoga session. Exercise helps improve blood circulation, which in turn supports brain health. It's not just about building muscle and stamina, but also about keeping your mind sharp. Mental exercises too play a vital role. Engaging in puzzles, reading, or learning a new language can stimulate your brain and keep it active. Remember, a challenged brain is a healthy brain. And of course, we mustn't overlook the importance of adequate sleep and stress management. Both are crucial in maintaining brain health. A good night's sleep enhances memory and learning, while effective stress management can reduce the risk of cognitive decline. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you can make a significant impact on your brain health. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the fantastic power of the brain, an organ that not only governs our thoughts, emotions, and memories, but also controls every single function of our body. We've explored how maintaining brain health is crucial to our overall well-being and longevity. We've also discussed various practical steps to boost brain health, from engaging in physical activities and mental exercises to ensuring we get enough sleep, hydration, and proper nutrition. We've talked about certain foods like the omega-3 rich fish, antioxidant-loaded berries, and vitamin-packed leafy greens that can aid in preventing neurological diseases and enhancing cognitive functions. In essence, we've learned that taking care of our brains is not a complex science. It's about making mindful choices each day that contribute to our brain's health. Remember, your brain is your most powerful asset. Take care of it and it will take care of you. Thanks for tuning in and stay healthy.